Want to create SEO content faster and improve your search rankings with AI? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for SEO, from content planning and keyword organization to writing optimized articles and improving on-page content. So let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click New Chat to begin working on your SEO project. Before writing anything, explain exactly what you're trying to achieve. Mention your website, your target audience, the topic you want to cover, and the primary keyword you're focusing on. The more specific your prompt is, the more relevant the suggestions will be. Ask ChatGPT to create a structured outline before writing the full article. It can suggest titles, headings, subheadings, and important topics to include. A strong outline makes your content easier to organize and helps cover the subject more thoroughly. Next, ask ChatGPT to write your content based on the outline. You can request a beginner-friendly article, a professional guide, or a conversational blog post. Remember to review the draft and make sure the information is accurate, helpful, and written for real readers, instead of simply repeating keywords. ChatGPT can also help you create SEO-friendly titles, meta descriptions, and page summaries. You can ask for multiple variations and choose the one that best matches your content and encourages people to click. Beyond blog posts, ChatGPT can generate frequently asked questions, image alt text, product descriptions, category page content, and internal linking suggestions. These elements can improve your website's organization and user experience. Before publishing your content, review it carefully. Check facts, update outdated information, verify keyword usage naturally, and make sure the article provides genuine value to your audience. ChatGPT is an excellent writing assistant, but your final review is still one of the most important steps, and that's how to use ChatGPT for SEO. From planning content to improving titles and creating optimized articles, ChatGPT can help streamline your workflow while you focus on creating useful, high-quality content. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and thanks for watching.